With Toyota Safety Sense C, the pre-collision system, or PCS, uses an in-vehicle camera and laser radar to help detect the vehicle in front of your vehicle. When the pre-collision system determines that the possibility of a frontal collision with that vehicle is high, it prompts the driver to take evasive action and brake by using an audio and visual alert. These alerts operate when the vehicle speed is between approximately 7 to 85 miles per hour. If the driver notices the hazard and brakes, the system may provide additional braking force using brake assist. The system may apply greater braking force in relation to how strongly the brake pedal is depressed. If the driver does not brake in a set time and the system determines that the possibility of a frontal collision with another vehicle is extremely high, the system may automatically apply the brakes, reducing speed in order to help the driver avoid the collision or help reduce the impact. The pre-collision system's auto-braking feature operates at speeds between approximately 7 to 50 miles per hour. If pre-collision system auto-braking occurs and brings the vehicle to a complete stop, the system retains brake pressure for approximately 2 seconds. Here is some important additional information from your owner's manual. The TSS pre-collision system's operation is dependent on the in-vehicle laser and camera abilities to detect and see clearly on relatively straight roadways. The system may not operate under the following conditions: when visibility to the front is poor due to bad weather, when there is a sudden appearance of a vehicle or object in the road in front of the vehicle, such as if another vehicle pulls out in front of you, when driving around locations with sharp curves or undulations, when there is intense light from the front, such as strong sunlight or the high beams of an oncoming vehicle, when something is covering the laser or camera, such as bugs, dirt, ice, etc. Additionally, motorcycles or bicycles may not be detected by the system. The pre-collision system will not avoid collisions under all conditions. Do not depend on the system or use it in place of emergency brake operation. Drivers are responsible for their own safe driving. Always pay attention to your surroundings and drive safely. See your owner's manual for more information on the limitations of the Toyota Safety Sense C pre-collision system.